Hello, in today's video I want to show you our new product, the PVC Poolside Organizer. It's specially designed to keep your pool area neat, tidy and efficient. The surface is smooth. A quick wipe can keep it looking pristine. This design, the ventilated style, allows water to drain out quickly, ensuring that your towels and other accessories remain dry. This organizer provides a place for towels, pool toys, sunscreen and other essentials.